A very pleasant morning to all my dear children. I hope you are eagerly waiting for the new chapter, right? Yes, here we go. I hope all of you may know about the organs of the government, right? They are the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. And in today's chapter, you'll be able to learn about the Indian judiciary, right? Let's go ahead. Children, have you ever seen this statue anywhere? Yes, you might have seen this in movies or in a book. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is Justicia. What's that? Justicia, the goddess of justice that personifies the judicial system across the globe. In India, the judiciary is an independent body that plays a critical role in the functioning of the country, children. It has the sole right to make or to break decisions without the interference of the government, which includes legislature and executive. Okay, so this separation of powers ensures impartial and equal justice to all the citizens. See here, all the citizens are equal in the eyes of law. So it should be impartial, children. The judiciary should be impartial and it should give equal justice to all the citizens of India. So it prevents influential people like politicians and the members of parliament to manipulate the judiciary. Students, this judiciary resolves disputes between the citizens. What's the meaning of resolve? It means solves the problem among the citizens of India and also between the citizens and the government. Sometimes the disputes may arise between the government, state government and the citizens. So even then, that time also, judiciary will resolve the problems or disputes between the citizens of India and the state government. Sometimes it may be between the two state governments. For example, if any water dispute or any border disputes between two states like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, so those disputes also can be solved by or resolved by the judiciary. It means Supreme Court of India. Okay, so very few times there will be also disputes between the central government and the state governments. For example, Kerala and Tamil Nadu has a problem with central government, dispute with central government. So both of the states can go to the Supreme Court and file a case on central government. Okay, so then the Supreme Court will resolve the problem of this two states and the center. So this is called dispute resolution, children. What's that? Dispute resolution. Students, apart from resolving all disputes between the citizens and the government at various levels, the judiciary also the final interpreter of the constitution. It is also the final interpreter. It means it studies the constitution keenly and it has the power to strike down any particular law which is passed by the parliament, and that particular law, if the judiciary believes that this law leads to a violation of basic structure of the government basic structure of the constitution, so they can strike off that law. This judiciary. So this is called judicial review. What's that, children? It's called judicial review. Once again I repeat, after again interpreting the constitution, if the judiciary finds any law which is made by the parliament, can have right to strike out that law, because if it proves that that law violates the basic structure of the constitution, it can strike off that. So that kind of process or system is called judicial review. What's that? Judicial review. Students, Supreme Court is also responsible for upholding and enforcing fundamental rights. It means what? It will make the government to implement the fundamental rights for every citizen of the nation. So if any time if at any given point of time, no, you feel that your fundamental right, which includes right to speech or right to freedom of religion, is violated, you can approach the court directly. That too, Supreme Court directly. Okay? So that's all for today, children. Bye.